स्टार्ट करते हैं। और हम लोग देख रहे हैं माया एफएक्स, और आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे एन पार्टिकल्स गोल के ऊपर। और बेसिकली व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, गोल क्या करेगा कि सपोज मेरा कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसके ऊपर जितने भी सेगमेंट्स हैं वहां पे मुझे इंडिपेंडेंट पार्टिकल्स चाहिए। हर एक सेगमेंट्स के ऊपर पार्टिकल्स जनरेट करना है। तो वो हम लोग का कैसे होगा, हम लोग वो देखेंगे। एक सेपरेट सेशन होगा जहां पे मेरा पूरा कंप्लीट फिल्ड होगा सरफेस विद द पार्टिकल, वो हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे। आज का हम लोग का ये है कि जहां पे भी मेरे नंबर ऑफ वर्टाइसेस हैं, जहां पे भी उस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शंस पे, यहाँ पे भी मेरे वर्टेक्स दिख रहे हैं इंडिपेंडेंट, उस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शंस में मैं पार्टिकल्स कैसे जनरेट करूंगा। ओके, तो देखते हैं। सिंपल है। तो मैं सिंपल एक ऑब्जेक्ट मैंने ये किया हुआ है, ड्रॉ किया हुआ है, जस्ट एक स्फीयर लिया हुआ है हमने, और जस्ट गो टू एन पार्टिकल एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू जनरेट द एमीटर एंड जस्ट रीसेट द सेटिंग्स, और जो भी डिफॉल्ट है ओमिनी, और बाकी सब एट्रीब्यूट्स मैं सेम रख रहा हूँ। जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द क्रिएट ऑप्शन, और अगर प्लेबैक स्पीड अगर चेक कर दो यहाँ पे, तो प्ले एवरी फ्रेम इट्स प्रॉपर फॉर द डायनामिक्स। और इफ आई जस्ट ट्राई टू प्ले, तो यहाँ से पार्टिकल्स जनरेट होना शुरू हो चुका है, तो दैट इज गुड फॉर मी। अभी मुझे सिंपली क्या करना है कि मुझे सपोज इसे रेडियस में इंक्रीज कर लेता हूँ, और थोड़ा मुझे सेगमेंट्स एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करना है, तो मैं सेगमेंट्स भी एक्स्ट्रा ऐड कर रहा हूँ उसके अंदर, अराउंड 40। तो बेसिकली हर एक वर्टाइसेस के अंदर मुझे वो पार्टिकल्स उसमें ऐड होना चाहिए। तो सिंपल है, जस्ट वेरी सिंपल स्टेप। सिलेक्ट योर पार्टिकल, आई एम जस्ट सिलेक्टिंग फ्रॉम द आउटलाइनर, and just press Ctrl and select your object. So I'm just selecting the sphere using Ctrl key. So my particle and the object is selected. Now simply what you have to do, you have to go to N particles and you have to go to goal, and this is 0.5, this is half. So if you want to directly generate the particle system, just take it to 1 and just hit on the create button. So I'm going to discuss what is 0, what is 1, what is 0.5. So just hit on the create button, that's all. First step, N particle, select your N particle, select your sphere, just activate your goal using your goal width 1 and hit on the create, done. And if you just play the thing like this, so you will find our particle is generating. Okay, so now what you have to do, we have to fill this entire sphere or entire surface with this particular particle, and we have the time, like we have the limited time of around let's say 25 frame is equal to 1 second. So right now if we take it to 125, then we have like almost 6 seconds. So in this 6 seconds, basically we have to fill the entire surface, but it is not filling, right? It's just filling less than half, like so almost 1/3. So what I'm going to do now, is just I'm going to click on the emitter, and what we can do is we can increase the particle rate, okay, 500. And if you just see now, so it's trying to fill the entire surface. Simple. In less than less than 6 seconds, or in 3 seconds only. So it's up to you, like, you know. So you just simply just have to increase the particle rate, done. Okay, so same thing, what you have to do is, you can take your regular rig object, or I'm going to take my regular rig object, or animated surface. Let's say I'm going to take some model and I'm going to apply the same thing over there also. But before that, suppose if you have another object and another sphere or another object, and if I want to transfer this particle from here to here, and suppose if you have another object like this, so I want to transform the particle from this surface to this surface. So how we are going to do that? So we are going to discuss first we are going to discuss that, and if I just try to play now, it's filling the first surface. That is fine for me. Now I want to fill this surface. So what I'm going to do now, so I'm just going to increase the subdivision a little bit, or you can increase a bit, and duplicate. So we have like 3 surface with us, and simply what you have to do, just select your Nparticle and press shift and select the object what you want to connect, and the simple process is simple. Just go to Nparticles and hit the goal icon over here, go to the option box and just click on the create option over here, and now if I play, it is generating in between. Why? Because in the Nparticle, if you go, now we have 2 goal. See, the goal width 0 and 1, so we have like 2 goal widths. So it is creating, suppose if I say 0 over here, and if we try to play from here, so it's trying to fill this particular surface. Same way we can have n number of object and we can transfer. We're going to see that thing now, how we're going to transfer and how we're going to animate the thing. So I'm just going to do the same process on the third object also. So I'm just selecting the Nparticle from here, and I'm just using my shift key and I'm selecting my third sphere, and the process is very simple. Same process I'm going to repeat. I'm just going to click on the Nparticle and just go to the goal section over here, and just make sure your goal weight is 1 and click on the create. So now we have 3 goals and 2 goal is active, so it is not creating on here also and here also, like it's creating in between. So what I'm going to do now, same thing, like over here I'm just going to say 0, and each goal weight represent individual sphere or surface. So now we have 3 goal weight. Likewise we can have n number of goal weight, so it's not limited to only 1, 2 or 3. We can have n number of like. So if I just hit play button now, so we can see our third surface is active, like. So what I'm going to do now, I want to form this particular surface in around 1 or 2 seconds. So I'm going to increase the emitter amount. Let's say I just increase it to, might be 500, say 1000, and if you just hit the play button, so you can see, it's trying to fill fast, or we can increase the speed to, let's say 5, and if you just try to play and check it, so it's almost going to 2 seconds, like more than 2 seconds. So I just need a double. I just want to fill the entire surface in around 1 second, right? So it's filling the surface in 1 second. So just simply you have to increase the rate of the emitter. That's all. Okay. So now we're going to animate. So I want to transfer the particle. So I'm just selected the particle, Nparticle, and now if you see we have 3 goal weights, and now I want to animate this particular particle. Okay, so I'm taking all the particles to 0, and over here in the first section I'm going to animate all the 3 sections together. So around 25 frame, I don't want any particles on any surface. So if you say 0, then particle is going to emit from here. Okay, so in the first section I don't want any particle from any surface. Okay, so let's say around on 25 I want to start from here. Till that time all the goal weights have to be 0. So I'm just going to say key selected to all the goal weights. Okay, and on the 58th frame, or let's say on the next frame only, 26th frame, I'm going to say 1 to this particular thing, and just select all these 3 and make sure you hit on the key selected. Just search for the key selected. So my first thing activated on the 26th frame. Same thing on the 58th frame, I want the same thing. Key selected, and on the next frame, 51 frame, I don't want anything over here. 0, 1. And just make sure you click on key selected, and on 75th frame, make sure you hold this thing. Key selected, and on 76th. So now you can free this thing up, 0. And on 76 I can say 1 over here, and key selected. And from 76 to 100, it has to be constant. So just make sure you hit key selected, and then I think done. And if you just hit play icon, so we can see particle is going to generate from here, from I think till 25th frame, then it's going to transfer. Let's see now how it works. So I'm just playing the thing. Simple. So if you want particle transitions, so it is 1 frame, we have animated for 1 frame, so we will not able to see the particle transition for in second. So if you just increase this gap, so we can see the particle transition from here to here, from here to here. For that we have to increase this gap, that's all. And for let's say till 25th frame, we don't want any particle from here also. In that case, what we have to do, on 24th frame, I'm just going on a 24th frame, we don't want any particles, not looking good. So on 24th frame, I'm going to let's say on 25th frame only, I'm just going to key select this emitter rate, this set key, and on the previous frame on 24th, till that particular frame we don't want any particle, so just take it to 0 and key selected, and just hit play button and see, it's working fine. Right, it's working fine. Got it? So like that you can transfer your goal weight, basically your particle system, to any of the surface. And if we just hide this 3 surface, if we hide this 3 surface, Control H, hide the 3 surface, and if I just hide the grid also, and if I change the color using Alt D, black one, And if I just hit the play button over here, then you can enjoy the particle system. Like, suppose if you have animated character, walking and jumping, and you want like particle system, like you want your character to be in particle system, so you can use this method. So we're going to do this, we're going to apply this thing on our character also. So I hope you understand this concept. So I'm going to stop over here, and now you can ask your queries and doubts. Okay.